Hello and welcome. Today I did a simulation of a bird streak phenomena. This is the bird, but the important point that is when you want to create a SPH model, you can use CAE, ABAQUS CAE, or input file, modify input file. But the modify input file better than use ABAQUS CAE because the ABAQUS CAE is a little tricky. So I create a INP file of this two part and create PC3D element, particle element from continuum element, and you can see here the process. Let's me to you can see it. This is the windshield. The material is wind glass and the material is bird here, and there is some simulation. For instance, this is the other simulation. You can see here, this is the bird. You can see. So if you need this file, you can come to my site here, www.abaqusfm.com. There is some English title in my site that I create them for foreign buyers. You can click on continue. This is continue, or use translate to English. Okay, click on continue reading. This is a title, some explanation and figures of the simulation, and you can provide CE, INP, and English video just by $20, and you can pay it just with bitcoins. This is the payment system of my site, and when you want to pay, use RodPay payment port. This is a payment port for foreign buyers. You can click here and click the payment, and this is the product name. This is the RodPay payment port, your email, your name, your family. Click on buy, and enter your email. For instance, this is my email. Click on continue, and now you will have a code. This is a purchasing code as a bitcoins, and after that you can find a download link for all files. Thank you for attention.